Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a game-changing feature available in IFS, the WADACO Subsequent Process. This functionality is designed to streamline operations and improve supply chain efficiency. If you are looking for ways to optimize your workflows, this video is for you. Once the initial data collection or primary process configuration has been completed, the subsequent process ensures a seamless flow to the next step in the supply chain. This is a critical advantage for businesses aiming to reduce manual interventions and improve overall accuracy. For example, if the report picking has been completed for a custom order, the subsequent process facilitates a smooth transition into the delivery of the custom order. Now let's get into the application and see how this works in real time. Now I'm going into the data collection menu. You will see there are two WADACO process configurations. I have defined for the custom order delivery and report picking. I have created a custom order with 4 lines. As you can see in here, I have created this pick list number 4507 for this customer order. Now I will go back to the WADACO client and I will work on report picking of this pick list. I will go back to the main menu and I will go to the report picking window. I will scan now. Pick list number which I am selecting is 4507. I will select it and I will select the part number. Then the quantity to pick, and the location. I have pick reported now. I will go back to the pick list. You will see first line has been pick reported now. If I want to ship this item, then I will have to go back again and go to my other process for the custom order delivery. Then I have to select this customer order number . 7731. Now I will navigate and select the customer order 7731. I will select this and click Save. If I go back to my custom order, you will see this line has been delivered. This process has too many clicks and it is not efficient. I have to pick report and go and do the custom order delivery again using a different configuration. Instead of that, what I will do is I will try to configure a subsequent process. I will go to my report picking configuration and try to define a subsequent process for this. This is my report picking process and I will edit the process. Then I will select my subsequent process called delivery of custom order. I have selected the configuration 2 for this. And the subsequent control data item ID is the order number. That is what I'm passing for my other configuration. So in here, for the order number, I will edit as the subsequent data item ID. If I go back to my subsequent process, you will understand it will start from the order number. That is why I have passed the order number from my previous process. Then I will go back again to the main menu. I will release my configuration after completing the changes and then go back again to the report picking and I will try to do the picking of custom order. I will select the same pick list number, which is 4507. And the part number, and quantity to pick followed by the location. I will click Save. So you will see another line will be on the delivered state. In this process, I just reported the picking seamlessly. That custom order line has been transferred to the custom order delivery and respective line has been shipped. So user doesn't need to navigate into two different processes to work on the subsequent supply chain activities. Key benefits for the business with the WADACO Subsequent Process configurations are as follows. Number 1. Users no longer need to navigate between two separate process configurations. Number 2. The transition between one configuration to other configuration becomes seamless. Number 3. Overall efficiency and user experience are greatly improved through this functionality. IFS is a powerful tool, and with the right expertise, you can unlock its full potential. Let's take your supply chain processes to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.